In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on eBay. If you've never used a gift card as a payment method on eBay before, don't worry. The process is pretty straightforward, and once you know where to enter the card information, it only takes a moment. The main thing to keep in mind is that you'll be adding the American Express gift card the same way you would add a regular payment card during checkout. To get started, go to the eBay item you want to purchase. Once you're on the product page and you're ready to place the order, click on Buy It Now. This takes you directly into the checkout flow so you can review your purchase and choose how you want to pay. Make sure you're ready to complete the purchase before clicking, since this option is meant for immediate checkout rather than adding the item to your cart for later. After that, look for the payment section on the checkout page. Here, you'll need to click on Add New Card. This is the option that lets you enter a new payment method instead of using one that may already be saved to your eBay account. If you already have another card listed, be careful to select the option for adding a new one so your gift card is used for this purchase. Next, enter your card detail. This is where you'll type in the information exactly as it appears on the American Express gift card. Be sure to enter everything carefully, including the card number and any other required billing information shown on the form. Since gift cards can be sensitive to entry errors, it's a good idea to double check the details before submitting. Even a small typo can prevent the card from being accepted. Once the information is entered correctly, continue through the checkout process and review your order before placing it. If everything looks right, you can proceed and complete the purchase using the gift card. A quick tip before you finish: make sure the gift card has enough balance to cover the full order amount, including ticket and shipping if they apply. That's often the reason a payment doesn't go through. Also, if eBay asks for billing details, enter the information associated with the card if applicable. And that's all it takes. That's how to use an American Express gift card on eBay.